There are millions of Shiba Inu holders, and we know Shiba Inu have great community. Now, there is the possibility of 0.01. That 0.01 a lot of people have been dreaming of, okay? I'm not a fan of $10. You see some people talking about Shiba Inu reaching $10, $20. Well, definitely it might happen one day, but that is one day because Shiba Inu need a whole lot to achieve that. But for right now, 0.01 there's a possibility. All Shiba Inu need to do right now is either they burn over 500 trillion coins of Shiba Inu tokens, or Shiba Inu burning about 100 to 200 trillion coins with a market cap of over 70 to 100 billion dollars market cap. They can achieve that price level of 0.01. But if they can burn out about 500 trillion coins, and even though Shiba Inu does not have huge market cap, Shiba Inu can still reach the level of 0.01 price, which is a lot of money, okay, which is almost 100,000 to 1 million percent increase in price. Although this coin have actually hit millions of percent increase in the past, making a lot of people to become millionaires and creating a lot of money for so many people. But that doesn't mean this coin is not going to do that. There is a possibility for history to repeat itself because already they have great foundation, they have great community, they have great project, they have great plans, and so many companies have been partnering with Shiba Inu tokens. So for me, I still believe there's a possibility for this coin to hit another massive increase in price. This time around, we believe Shiba Inu can hit up to 0.01. The only thing holding this coin right now is about the supply they have and the circulating supply they have. That is why if Shiba Inu can burn up to 500 trillion coins, believe it, Shiba Inu is definitely going to kill a lot of zeros. Or if they can burn 50% or 30% of their circulating supply with a market cap of about 70 to 100 billion dollars market cap, Shiba Inu can still achieve much. Remember when Shiba Inu market cap hit between 32 to 40 billion dollars market cap, they were still having a lot of coins, but Shiba Inu was almost deleting 1 0. They almost start trading with about 3 zeros, okay? But because of the recently crash on the crypto industry, so many coins fell down. Shiba Inu also was affected. I believe if Shiba Inu right now hitting back at its all-time price, Shiba Inu will definitely be returning over almost 1,000%, which means you having $100 investment on Shiba Inu, you'll be making about $1,000 by the time Shiba Inu hit back at its all-time price. Now, there's a possibility this coin can reach back at its all-time price because there's also a possibility that Bitcoin can hit back to $65,000, $67,000. Oh yes, so I believe Shiba Inu should be one of the best. But remember, if you want to buy Shiba Inu, buy what you can afford to lose because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Remember to like, share video, drop your comment in the comment section below.